ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਖੇਤਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ 30 ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਫੋਰਬਸ ਦੀ 30 ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਿਸਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਆਫ ਅਮਰੀਕਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ ਦੀ ਕੈਂਪੇਨ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਅਤੇ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਿੱਖਸ ਦੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਅਨੀਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਅਨੀਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਲਾਅ ਐਂਡ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਦੀ ਕੈਟਾਗਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਜ਼ਿਕਰਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਯੂਐਸ ਆਰਮੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਦਾੜੀ ਅਤੇ ਕੇਸਾਂ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਕਨੂਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ ROTC ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ 'ਚ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਨਾ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਣ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਅਨੀਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਯੂਐਸ ਆਰਮੀ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਅਦਾਲਤੀ ਕੇਸ ਜਿੱਤਿਆ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਕੇਸ ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਿੱਖਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ।
Thank you so much to the community for all your support as I won the award Forbes 30 Under 30. My journey first began right after 9/11 when we started seeing a lot of backlash towards the Sikh community. I would go to Gurdwara and I would see uncles wearing flag pins on their coats just so that they would look more American due to the fear of backlash, hate crimes and profiling. I felt like I needed to do something, so I became really active in Sikh organizations. I wanted to be a voice for the community. In 2006, while I was in college, I advocated for a Sikh inmate to be transferred to a prison in Vermont so that he would not have to cut his hair and take off his turban and practice his religion. After that, during law school, I continued to do advocacy for Sikh organizations. And after that, right after law school, I joined United Sikhs, where I was the policy advocate and project manager in DC for the policy program. It was then that in 2013, Ignore Singh approached the organization, saying that he was denied access to join the ROTC program for the Army because of his turban and beard and faith. We took his case and litigated it for 2 years. It was an important case because we wanted to make sure that the messaging that was out there was not that he had to choose between his religion and fighting for his country.
TV84 ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਿਆ।
The advice I have for the current generation is to really sit down and think about what makes you angry, what motivates you, what are you passionate about. Those are the kinds of things that should drive you. The sky is the limit, and the more someone tells you you can't do something, it should be used as fuel to go ahead and pursue your dreams. I personally can say, growing up a woman in a man's world, brown in a white world, and Sikh in a Christian world, it is difficult. It is an upward battle, but you have to fight for it. You have to fight for what you're passionate about and continue to follow your dreams and seek the advice and the support from the community. The community has been so supportive of me, and I really appreciate it, and I believe that everyone else will have that same support if they continue to fight for our community.